This is your Doc. Have a nice day. I just want to share with you today on how to identify equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions can be used as a tool in changing dissimilar fractions to similar fractions. Equivalent fractions are fractions with different or dissimilar numerators and denominators but have the same fractional values. Example: find the missing term to make the fraction equal. So if the given number is 1/2 is equal to a box and the fraction sign over the denominator of 6, we are asked to find the missing term which will be put inside the box. So first, we will divide 6 by 2, and it gives the quotient of 3. Then we will use 3 to be multiplied by 1. After that, write the multiplication sign between 1 and 3 and also between 2 and 3. Next is we will multiply 1 times 3 equals 3. We are done finding the missing term which is inside the box. So 1/2 is equal to 3/6. The numerators and denominators are not the same. They are different, but they have the same fractional values. Because if we are going to divide 3/6 by 3 over 3, it gives what? Let us divide first to know the answer. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Then a fraction sign, and divide also 6 divided by 3, it gives the quotient of 2. Therefore, 3/6 and 1/2 have the same fractional value. By the way, 3 over 3 is the common factor of 3 and 6. Alright, let us have another method to identify equivalent fraction. Examples. Number 1, 2/3 is equal to 4 over 6. Then, we will multiply 2 times 6, and it gives the product of 12. Then after that, we will also multiply 4 times 3, or it gives the product of 12. Their cross products are equal. Let us have an example, number 2. If the given is this, since the numerator of 9 over 15 and the denominator of the missing term are given, we will multiply 5 times 9 and it gives the product of 45. Then, what number are we going to multiply by 15 to give the product of 45? So, what are we going to do? Divide 15 by 5, and it gives the quotient of 3. So, if we are going to multiply 3 times 15, it gives the product of 45. So, their cross products are equal. They are equivalent fractions. Alright. So, to evaluate yourself, how much did you learn? Try to answer the following. What should be placed in the box to make the fractions equivalent? So I will give you 1 minute to answer. Then, the next slide, we have another 5 numbers to answer. Okay, time is up. Next slide is letter B. Identify the equivalent fractions. Put a check on the blank if it is equivalent fraction in x, if not. So, another one we need for you to answer. Then, I will be back to check your answers. Alright, time is up. Let us check your answers. Alright, let us have letter A. Number 1, the correct answer is 8. Number 2 is 2. Number 3 is 8. Number 4 is 18. Number 5 is 4. And letter B, we have number 1. The answer is check. Number 2 is X. Number 3 is check. Number 4 is check. And number 5, X. Who got 10 over 10? Congratulations! My next video is changing the similar fraction to similar fraction. I am using a shortcut method, but it's up to you to choose which of the following methods is easy for you to use. Before I end this video, please click the subscribe and bell button so that you'll be notified if there is a new video.